Hey everybody, what's going on? Kyle here. I'm just at the IBJJF 2025 World No-Gi Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Championships in Las Vegas, and today I had some super hard-fought matches, and I came out with the bronze medal at the No-Gi World Championships. Super proud of my performance, super proud of the effort and the hardships that I go through to make it here and to compete at the best of my ability. Man, this was a war today, but now I am the two-time IBJJF World No-Gi bronze medalist, and I'm just going to keep training hard. I love you all. Thanks for everybody for your support. I couldn't be more grateful for my team, my family, my friends, and again, this is just the beginning. I'm going to keep pushing hard. Gold is coming next, but super thankful to make podium again. So catch you guys later. I'll see you in Lisbon in 4 weeks.